Maui was a supernatural demigod, trickster, and cultural hero. One of his finest creations was Mounu, believed to have been caught on the bottom of the sea with his magic hook, fished up and left on the sea surface, which then became the islands of Vava'u. Using a lime wedge, rim half of the Collins glass with its juice. Carefully dip into sea salt. Wipe any excess salt from the inside of the glass. Fill with cubed ice and put to one side. Prepare a pink grapefruit wedge. Add a bar spoon of agave nectar into a cocktail shaker. Balance with the natural acidity of fresh lime and pink grapefruit juice. Aperol has become one of the world's most popular aperitifs, loved for its approachable, bittersweet flavors of chinchoa, orange, and rhubarb. Luxardo maraschino liqueur has been a bartender's secret weapon for well over 100 years. Its distinctive taste is pivotal in this cocktail, as well as in such classics as the Hemingway Daiquiri and Last Word. El Himido Reposado is a 100% blue agave tequila, which brings smooth notes of spice, vanilla, and caramel sweetness. Fill with cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Drain any excess water from the Collins glass. Fine strain. Garnish with the pink grapefruit wedge. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.